Oh no, the dress! Emma's favorite dress is ruined! I am in big trouble now.
David, you burned my dress! This was a gift from my mother! I am leaving now.
Emma, wait. Please forgive me. I didn't mean to do it.
Oh, she is really gone.
Dad, why are you crying? Is Mommy coming back? Let's play together to feel better.
I made Mom very angry, Lily. I was careless and burned her dress while watching TV. I watched TV and forgot about the iron. The dress was on fire! I feel so stupid.
Where did Mommy go, Dad? She went to Grandma's house, right? I want to see her. Let's play again, Dad. But I really miss Mom. The house feels very quiet without her.
I will sleep for a moment, Lily. Just a short rest. My head hurts from all this.
Dad, please wake up. I feel very hungry. We haven't had dinner yet. I want food.
Okay. I will cook something for us. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, I see a chicken. But it is very hard and cold. It's like a block of ice. I will break the ice. Ugh, why is it so hard? It's still intact after all my hitting.
Dad, please be careful. Fire will melt the ice quickly. Use the big fire, Dad.
Good idea. This cartoon is funny. I'll just watch for a minute while it melts.
I smell something bad. Dad, what is that smell? Is something burning in the kitchen again?
Oh no! I burned the chicken! It's completely black! Now we really have no food left! Don't worry, Lily. I will order a pizza. A big one with all your favorite toppings. Hello? One big pizza, please. Delivery to Green Street.
We are very hungry. Please hurry. Is the pizza here yet? I can't wait to eat. My tummy is making funny noises.
Thank you very much. You saved our lives tonight.
Huh?
Here is a tip for your speed.
This pizza is very good. I feel happy now, Dad. Eating makes everything better.
Oh no, the house is very messy. Emma will be even angrier if she sees this. I will clean the floor. Lily, please help me. Move your toys to the corner.
Dad, my toys are there. Wait, where are my toys? I can't find my blue teddy bear.
Oh, what is inside here? It's so dirty. I didn't know we had so much trash.
I wish Mom was here. She always knows where everything is. I want Mom to come home.
I have an idea. Lily, let's go pick up Mom. We shouldn't stay here alone anymore. Yes, let's go. I will say sorry to her. I will tell her how much we need her. These flowers are for Mom. They are her favorite. I hope she likes them and forgives me.
I feel nervous, Dad. What if Mom is still very mad and doesn't want to talk?
We are here. Be brave, Lily. We are doing this for our family. Let's go.
Why are you here? I told you I needed some space to think, David.
I am very sorry, Emma. I was wrong. I promised to be more helpful and attentive.
We miss you, Mom. Please come home. The house feels empty without you. Oh, Lily, I miss you too. And the flowers are beautiful, David. Thank you.
I will help at home from now on. I already started cleaning.
Look, the floor is better.
I clean the floor. I will make sure it shines. I won't let it get messy again. I wipe the table. See? No more dust. I am working hard for you, Emma. I wash the dishes. I actually enjoy it when we do it together. It's much faster.
Thank you for helping, David. I appreciate the effort you are making today.
Dad works very hard today. He didn't even turn on the TV once. I'm proud of you.
Our house looks clean. It feels like home again. Everything is in its place. Dinner is ready. No more burnt chicken or cold pizza tonight. Real food is coming.
Wow, this food is great. It smells so much better than the black chicken Dad made.
I feel very happy. Having you both here makes everything right. I am lucky. Yes, babies. Family is important. We have to take care of each other and our things.
We love you too, Lily. More than anything in the world.
I will do better. I will be the husband and father you deserve. No more distractions.
This is a happy home. As long as we communicate and help, we will be fine. Thank you.
Thank you for forgiving me. I won't let you down again, Emma.
Yes, let's help each other. We are a team, and teams work together.
I like this day. Even the scary parts brought us back together. Good night.
Once upon a time, there was a family that learned how to fix their mistakes. The brave knight returned home and finally rested.
That's a nice story, Dad. It feels special.
Sweet dreams, my little princess. We will be right here in the next room.
She's finally asleep. It's been a very long and emotional day for everyone. Looking back at today, I realized how much I took your hard work for granted.
It wasn't just the dress, David.
It was feeling like I was doing everything alone.
I understand now. I promise to be your partner, not just a spectator in this house.
Let's start tomorrow fresh. Maybe we can go to the park together as a family?
Yeah.
Good morning, world. I feel motivated to make today even better than yesterday. No distractions today. Just a perfect breakfast for my favorite girls in the world.
Whee!
Look at this, Lily. Perfectly cooked. Your dad is becoming a master chef, right?
Wow, David! You really outdid yourself this morning. This looks absolutely delicious.
Can we go to the park now? I want to slide and swing with both of you.
I've got the snacks and the blanket. Team David is ready for action. After you, ladies. Today is all about having fun and being together.
Higher, Dad! Higher! I can see the whole world from up here.
Look at her go. This is what matters. These moments are more precious than any dress.
Sandwiches always taste better outside. Don't you think so, Lily?
Hey, Mom. Why did the tomato turn red?
Because it saw the salad dressing.
I heard that. My chicken wasn't that bad. Okay, maybe it was a disaster.
It's so peaceful here. I'm glad we decided to do this today, David.
It's not the same dress, but I want you to pick out a new one tomorrow.
You didn't have to do that, but thank you. It means a lot to me.
The sky looks like it's on fire, but in a pretty way.
Not a scary way. Someone is getting sleepy. It's been a big day for a little girl.
It's so nice to come back to a clean house. Good job, Team David.
This is much better than watching TV alone. I like our family movie nights.
Sleep well, my John. I love you so much.
Just a little bit of work now saves a lot of stress tomorrow morning.
I'm so glad we fixed things. I love you more than ever, Emma.
I love you too, David. We are going to be just fine together.